All right, so I created this video to show you the importance of organization within your business. So I created this Google Sheet. It's called Property Onboarding. This is specifically to onboard onto Lodgify, at least this tab is, and it has every single thing you could think of that was in Lodgify that we went through earlier. And if you haven't seen it, we do have a video series that shows you exactly how to set up your listing and whatnot in Lodgify. So we go through all of that in there. And like I said, it's super important to have this set up. And it's going to be important for a couple of reasons. It'll help you stay organized. If you're setting up your listing on other platforms, you can use this as your template as well. That way you don't have to think about, okay, what does this unit have? What does this unit have? You would be able to do it from your spreadsheet, or you might even be able to send this out or outsource it like we do. So we outsource it to our virtual assistant team, and they literally go through it and they input everything into our Lodgify so that we don't have to set it up one by one by one. That would take forever to set that up. So again, using a virtual team, this is going to be helpful. And you'll notice that this is green. You might be like, well, why is this green? So whenever something has been completed, so you're going to want to create like a key for yourself as well. So when it's complete, they mark it as green, right? So your team is going to mark it as green, or even if you're doing it yourself, you want to mark it as green so you know where you left off. And then if it's marked a different color, like this one is marked orange, so this is something that we need to take care of. For some reason it's orange, so that's something that it reminds me that I need to do something. And when it's white, it shows that nothing has been done yet. So that's how we can tell how far along our team has gotten in a certain task and things like that. And that way we know, okay, what's going on with it as well. So again, you want to stay organized. You want to be able to outsource this. I mean, when you have a good amount of units, or even just one unit, if you're able to outsource this and just sit down and fill out this spreadsheet instead of going through and clicking through all the different things in Lodgify, because that could definitely take some time. This is a great way to do it. And yeah, like I said, when you're setting it up on different platforms, this is going to be a great template for you to work from. And you'll notice that we have some other tabs along here on the bottom as well. So this is like our master sheet. When we onboard a property, we make sure that we are inputting it into all of our different platforms that we use. So yeah, that's going to be really important to stay organized and have everything central. So let's say you are working with a virtual assistant team like we do, they're going to be able to find all the information very quickly and easily in here. So that's very important, especially since if you're working with a virtual assistant team, they haven't seen your properties in person. They don't know the intricacies like you do. And it's your responsibility to train them so that they can help your guests better, right? So the more information you can give them, the better. And to keep it organized is key. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about that, but it's super important to stay organized, and you're going to really, really appreciate this. You might not like setting it up and doing that, but when you have it complete, it's going to be an awesome tool for you and your team to use. So yeah, and you don't need to recreate, which is great. So again, set it up. I'm giving you basically a blank template so that you could put in all of your property information in here. And that way, like I said, you can outsource this for somebody else to do. Especially, I know at times we get pulled to do different things and things like that. So this is really helpful when somebody can focus on it and get it done. And yeah, so definitely stay organized. And there you have it. I'll give you the link to download it.